What's up, everybody? I'm outside the Crown Plaza, the Days of Dead Chicago. Gonna get some autographs. Let's go up in there and get this done.
And we got our Sons of Anarchy poster to get signed by Tom Arnold today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, buddy.
So what was your favorite show or movie to work on?
Well, I love working with these guys.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. People like True Lies, Austin Powers. You know, my favorite.
And we're back with our Sons of Anarchy poster. Signed by Tom Arnold, Georgie Caruso, and the Sons. Hopefully we can get the rest of the cast. Looks real nice hanging on the wall. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, tell your friends, and until our next adventure, we'll see you next time.